Welcome once again for the today's lecture in physics. Our today's topic is based on dimension. The topic is how to obtain or to write dimension of a physical quantity. जैसे कि velocity, acceleration and force. These are the physical quantity given to us and we have to obtain its dimension. उसके लिए the basic terms is you must know the basic physical quantity, that is nothing but this fundamental quantity, along with their letter as well. Unless and until you don't know this, it is quite impossible for you to obtain the dimension of this physical quantity. This fundamental quantity is mass, should be written in terms of capital M, that of length L, time T, temperature capital K. Electric current letter should be used as I or A, नहीं तो luminous intensity के लिए capital J और amount of substance के लिए N. These are the letters which we must use while writing the dimension of this physical quantity. We know very well that dimension means dependence of this physical quantity, given quantity on fundamental quantity or basic quantity और basic units. उसके लिए सबसे पहली चीज़ ये है कि आपको डिस्प्लेसमेंट और वेलोसिटी और एक्सेलरेशन इसके बारे में the formula or unit should be remembered properly. Means what? If I am trying to find the dimension of velocity, at least you must know the formula. Let me begin with dimension of velocity. Velocity is equal to displacement upon time. This is the requirement. You must know this. नहीं तो velocity's unit is meter per second. With the help of these two things, you can easily produce the dimension of velocity. Distance is measured in terms of length. That's why you can use the letter L. Upon time, this is also fundamental quantity. For that purpose, you must have to use capital T. So that can be written in this way: L raised to 1 and T raised to minus 1 in square bracket. There is no necessary of mass. It can be excluded or skipped. L raised to 1, T raised to minus 1 will be the dimension of velocity. Similarly, with the help of unit now, as unit of velocity is meter per second, meter means length, upon second means still time, again L raised to 1 and T raised to minus 1 is the dimension of velocity. This is how you can prepare the dimension with the help of two things, either with the help of formula or with the help of this unit. Secondly, I can prepare the dimension of acceleration as well. How it can be obtained? Let us see here. Acceleration A is equal to rate of change of velocity. Means what? Change in velocity v minus u upon t, or with the help of unit means meter per second square, you can obtain the dimension either from this formula, nahi to meter per second square. Change in velocity means simply velocity, and dimension of velocity as you have already written, L raised to 1. Change in velocity means velocity. Its dimension, total dimension of v minus u is L raised to 1 and T raised to minus 1, because it is already done by you. Upon time means T raised to 1. This T raised to 1 can be shifted to the numerator. L raised to 1, T raised to minus 1 earlier, and the next one is T raised to minus 1. Total it comes out to be L raised to 1, T raised to minus 2, writing in square bracket. This is how you can write the dimension of acceleration. If you don't know the formula, you can use the unit as well. Meter per second square. Meter means L raised to 1. Upon second square means time, T raised to 2. This L raised to 1 can be written as it is, and T raised to 2 can be shifted to the numerator as T raised to minus 2. So this is how the dimension can be written, not simply with the help of formula, with the help of unit as well. Just let's discuss about the force. Third, force F is equal to m into A. Mass means m raised to 1. Dimension of acceleration, just you have written that. Dimension of acceleration is L raised to 1, T raised to minus 2. So therefore totally the dimension of force is m1 L1 T raised to minus 2. If you don't know the formula, at least you must know the unit. Unit of force is Newton or kilogram meter per second square. This is alternative unit, Newton or kilogram meter per second square. So how to prepare the dimension with the help of unit? Kilogram means mass raised to 1, meter means length raised to 1, upon second square means upon T raised to 2. The total it can be written as m raised to 1, L raised to 1 and T raised to minus 2 shifted to the numerator. So this is how, not simply with the help of formula, with the help of unit as well, you can prepare the dimension. Similarly, in other cases, we can use the dimension of other electrical quantity also or magnetic quantity also. I hope you understood. Thank you.